Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit you trading. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving free daily signals there. You can even join us there, and over there you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, got the daily candle here, it's finished. After Monday here, yesterday that red candle here, today it happened here, a jump up. Yes, I missed the signal because I've been in my job, but I give you a signal yesterday. If you watch yesterday video and even my Telegram and my Discord, I give you a signal to enter in 30 minutes. So if you enter just by the break of that triangle we give you yesterday, you can find it even in the picture of the thumbnail. We'll have you enter long here and we'll have you benefit from all those earnings today. So here in the daily now, we don't got nothing yet. We're still in the range of that candle here, that green one here, as you see it. Till now we haven't broken above here for us to enter long, until now we haven't break it down here for us to enter short. So guys, don't believe no one. He just yappy, he doesn't know what he's talking about. Till now we don't got nothing clear. We still here stuck here. There is nothing yet, because if you remember what I show you here, I told you that one here is the handle of a cup and the handle here. That one here is the handle. Till now we couldn't break here. We need to break the 31k here. If we break it here, yes, we're going to say the market is going to change, but till now there is nothing new here. Another thing very important here, let me show it to you, is that one, the volume. Guys, look at it. Look at the volume here in the daily, what it telling you. Let's zoom it a little bit like that to see the clear picture. Look at it, that 5 days and the market very flat here. There is no volume. That the clear picture over here is telling us no volume. So all those moves is just market makers over there, they playing together. Selling, no one want to sell, and even buying now, no one want to buy at that level there. So people, all of them, they still scared now. No one want to enter now. So even you do the same thing. Only if it's breaking up, that's another story. But till now there is nothing new here. Look at it. All those days here we be in here, there is nothing new here. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long now here. And for the people, they haven't entered yet, because people they been with us, they enter a lot of times. But you, if you just came now, you haven't entered yet. Look at it, what I'm going to show you here. You came down here, you see me how I came to that one here and that one here. And in the top, you came here and here, like that. You see it, that level here and that one here. You got a very clear megaphone now. Now, what you need, you waiting a green candle to come like that, with power to come like those ones here, with power like that to break here. Yes, you can enter long, or the market will fall down again, down, then also we will buy from down. Over here I'm talking just about long-term investors. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for picture to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, we got very special day today. We got the Fed Chair Powell speech, plus we got crude oil inventory. That one here, down one. It doesn't got a big impact to the market. The most important, that one here. The Fed Chair Powell speech. What he going to say? Because that person, you know him when he started talking, you're going to see major moves in the market. So guys, be careful. That person, there is no joke if you know how to trade. You know how to trade. When that person started talking, don't joke about what he saying, because no one can accept in what the market is going to do. Sometimes he say bullish things, then you see the market, it's being bearish. And sometimes he's saying something very bearish and you see the market reacting very bullish. So no one can predict that person what he says. So the best things to do is to stay away when that person he talking is going to come at 1:30. That time also we don't open any trade. So my advice to you is the same thing. We're waiting after his speech finished, then also we're going to make a decision based on that and based on price action. Everything is too clear. And here is our friend, the table of odds. As you see it here, look at it. Picture is too clear here. Yesterday, Monday, we close in all the candles here, red. Me, I give the people, they follow me in my Telegram and my Discord to buy the SP500. Today, we are make very nice profit from it. As you see it, today, all the market is still going up. The only thing that SP500 me I bought it is not for short term. It's going to be for long term. So even you, if you want for long term to build a portfolio in the stock market, you can follow us, and us we're going to give you very highly and good quality signals from professional people, not just someone who just entered yesterday or something. You're going to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. As for stock market, for Bitcoin, our friend here, currency is still very low. As you see, it's down here. So there is nothing new here. Everything still looking great for long-term investors. US dollar, yes. Today, it go up a little bit, but not that much. That way, we see the market still sideways. So there is nothing yet. We need to wait in more, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Here in the 4 hours, also we've been waiting here in that level because that one is the same level we just show you in the daily now. Till now we don't got nothing here. Only thing we got there, a price action. Let me show it to you. As you see it now, look with me here. That in the 4 hours, guys, that for swing trading. Remember that you got here a very clear symmetric triangle here in the 4 hours. Over here, if it's breaking above here, enter long. If it's breaking down here, we will enter what? Short. Yes, you are right, my friend. You remember what else we've been talking about, that rocket going up, it needs to bounce. That's the bouncing, guys. Give us here a price action now. So now us, we are going to wait the market to break down here for us to enter short, guys. Remember those things. It needs to break down here for us to enter short. In yesterday video, what me I told you here? I told you we got a symmetric triangle here. Yes or no? Like that. That symmetric triangle, it's broken here. But it was only for 30 minutes. So the market just moved here to bring the take profit that one it was here. Now it's falling down. That way me I told you we got now here a new price action. Look at it. How I draw it. You came to that one down here and the tail here. In the top, you came like that and you do it like that. Like that. Very, very clear and simple symmetric triangle, guys. You need to be focused where it's going to be broken. When it's going to be broken, I'm going to say it even in my Telegram and my Discord channel. That way me every time I tell you, join us. And by the way, I'd say it and I will say it thousands of times that Discord and Telegram channels, they are only for a certain number of people. After that, anyone who want to join us, you need to pay monthly fees. So guys, benefit from that very, very, very quickly. And another thing, a lot of people, I got them in my Telegram and my Discord channel, they are not active. I'm going to delete all of them. So it's better for you to be active in our Telegram and in our Discord channel, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying today here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, you remember I told you here we got a very clear divergence yesterday. Let me show it to you again. As you see it here, that one here and that one here. That way, me, I don't tell you to enter long in the 4 hours because of the divergence here. Me, personally, I'm waiting the break to up and down here for me to enter short. That one here, that symmetric triangle to be broken down for us to enter short because our indicator is here give us a very clear divergence, and the divergence is going to send it down to touch the oversold area. That way, me, I'm still waiting for swing trade until now I haven't give you any signal. And guys, I've been saying that thousands of times. Passion is the key of what? Is the key of success. So be patient and wait until the right time. People, they've been with us from down here. We enter from 25k till 26k till 31k. Now also we are at 30k. We need to wait an opportunity for us to enter short. That's it. If it's breaking up, also we are going to enter long, but till now there is nothing yet. We're still waiting. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, also we are here at the overbought area. By the way, some people they saying about that indicator here, also we take it from someone, that our indicator is also we make it. Some people they take it, they change in some settings in it. We don't care because also we put it free. Even you, if you want it, you can get it down in the description of that video. So it's up to you. You get it from us, you get it from someone else. But if you want the setting also we use in here, you need to use our. If you want other setting, that depend on you and depend on what you want. Also, we don't care about those things. Here in our indicator, guys, what else we said? We said also we are at the overbought area here. Level also we are in a very, very stronger level like that. So what we need to look in for a short. Did we got any price action here for us to enter short? It's going here. Look at it. Maybe it's going to give us here a head and shoulder. Got a symmetric triangle there. So us we waiting the break to happen for us to enter short. If it's breaking up, us we going to enter long, guys. Because us we don't care about anything. The most important is the price action. Price action, if it tell us to enter long, us we are going to enter long. People they being down here with us. They remember that triangle here when it's breaking down here, us we enter short. And we put stop loss here. It came, it hits it here in that place. Then also we enter another long based on that price action here. Look till where we back and we double our account. Same thing now we doing here. We are waiting what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, and if you could even share the video, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, we said like that. We used to have here a triangle like that or a symmetric triangle like that. In yesterday video, you can find it still there in the thumbnail and everything is getting broke here. Still up here. Also being waiting the break of it, but me when it's getting broke I'm being in my work, so I couldn't give you a free signal here to enter long. But it's okay. Every time there is other signals, me today being scalping it from here till down here, being scalping it a lot. And I show people it giving us here in the smaller time frames a head and shoulder here. Till now it's showing it's breaking here. And we got here another price action. Let me show it to you. All the whole day been waiting for it is that wage here as you see it. Now it's getting broke here. Now for the people they are in my Telegram and my Discord channel, is going to that candle here to close because it's left for it 7 minutes. We are going to enter short. First take profit is going to be here. Second one is here. Stop loss you can put it here because that for the people they are in my Telegram and my Discord. Stop loss they can put it here. Or they can even put it here, depending on the money management and how much capital they're risking per trade. Because that's the most important, guys. Because some people, they don't know what they're talking about. It just came on the yappy. Everything in the trading, you need to put it like that. Everything in trading is how you're going to protect your account. The most important, how long you can stay in the game, not how long you're going to be out of the game. You need to remember that, how long you can stay in the game. Because if you got $1,000 account, how long that $1,000, how many losses you can afford to take by that $1,000 if your decision is wrong. That's the most important, not how much capital you're going to gain or how much money you're going to gain, because there is no one is 100% or 100% right every time. Everything is too clear, guys. Here it's our indicator. What is saying? Our indicator is saying us we are here at the overbought area. That way us we are focused here about to enter short. Until now it's looking like we are going to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys, and please support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.